Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Heroes. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can solve package.json file not found error in React. So here I have a sample program, and when I run this program, in your case you have to type npm start if you have created a normal React project. In my case, I have created this project using Byte, so I'm writing npm run dev. It doesn't matter, but as you can see, I am getting this error package JSON not found. So mainly this error occurs when the path in which you are running the command is not correct. So here if you can observe, my project is present on the desktop, and in the desktop folder React I have another folder test in which I have the project. So here if you see, my project is running on desktop React, but this test folder, the project is in test folder, so you have to write cd and the folder name in which your project is there. You can also see here test. So if I do cd test and then if I run the project, my error will be solved, and as you can see, my project has successfully compiled. So that's all for this video guys. The main thing is that make sure you check the path. Are you running the project in the correct path? You have to just check that and your error will be solved. That's all for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.